is my hike slash run. Oh, there's a lot of sunscreen on my face. Beautiful here, huh? Breathing heavy. Going uphill. I haven't done one this steep in a while. Okay. Made it to Bible Point. That's where we're at. And I am tired. This was a long climb. We started in one of those buildings way over there, came up and then to here, so a lot of uphill. But guess what? Now we're gonna go downhill. Hi guys. You get to take the dudes today, huh? And there's the turkeys. Hi guys. Okay, we're talking. I didn't mean to run you off. Good grief, you guys. Do not feed the horses. All right, where are we at?
Rooftop rodeo.
Okay, Cade, Hondo, Ing, and Ing and Gone. Okay, that's who we're with so far, but there's more coming, I hear. So anyways, we're gonna turn this around. So here we are at the Estes Park, rooftop rodeo.
No, I'm not. It's also Dave. It's also Dave. There's so many Daves.
Okay, I'm with more people. This is David. This is David. This is Brooke. Lucas, gosh, I can't hear. Sorry, it's old age. And there's a whole bunch of folks behind us. But we got all the YMCA of the Rockies here, right? Not all of them, but a lot of them. Yeah. All right, in Estes Park with Lamont and Lamont. So Lamont Senior and Junior, right? Okay, or is it Lamont in the second?
No, it's Lamont. My last name is Kisan. His is Jeremiah.
Yeah, Jeremiah.
Jeremiah, right on. Okay, so these guys are involved in campus ministry like Cade and his friends are, and they're from California. And how did you get to Estes? What brought you here? I mean, oh, really? Cool. Okay.
Colorado and
Right
check
on.
it out. Yeah.
Awesome. And they ended up at the rodeo, baby. Okay. I am with Noel and Nicholas. Nicholas, Arkansas. Noel's North Carolina. And both YMCA. And
YMCA staff members. Food service on top.
you both food service. Okay. And so, right on. Yeah. Great job. You fed me well while I was there. Thank you very much. But anyways, Estes Park has been amazing. Tell me what you guys think of spending the summer in Estes Park.
It's beautiful.
Could you think of a better place?
I could not.
I cannot.
Okay.
It's
Good.
beautiful. So
Weather,
much to
good.
do.
The people.
Lots of good people.
The community.
Yeah, right on.
Great time.
Right on. Well, thank you guys for the interview, and let's go enjoy the rodeo.
Yep. Okay, now we left the rodeo and we are at McDonald's. But these are all the NAV kids. Oh, Kendall loves being on YouTube. It's Katie. What's your name? Kimberly. And Kendall, who loves the most of being on YouTube, right? I'll edit it out, sorry. But people will